In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of Philips OneBlade. The box of Philips OneBlade looks like this. In Philips OneBlade, in India, there are two versions. One is the basic one, another one is this. I will give both the links in the description box. Please do check that. And coming to the price, here you can see that the price mentioned on the box is 2199, but you can get this trimmer below 2000. And if you club with any bulk offers, you will get cheaper. With this trimmer, you will get 3 combs of different lengths. And also you can use this trimmer for wet and dry use. And the model number of this trimmer is QP2724 by 10. Without wasting any time, let's open the trimmer from the box. You will get some booklets inside the box, warranty information and how to use it. Let's keep this aside. And here is Philips OneBlade. Welcome to OneBlade. Let's tear this. Here is the body. I think it's a blade. Let's keep it aside. And also you get a cable and you will get 3 combs with this trimmer. Here are the 3 combs. Here is a blade. Philips claims that one blade lasts up to 4 months. This is how the blade looks. If you can see properly. Let's fix it. First you need to drop it down like this, and then you need to see the holes and you need to place it. That's it. The blade is fixed. Here you can see that once you fix the trimming blade, the Philips OneBlade looks like this. It can adjust according to your shaving position. Let's turn on. Here is the power button. Here you can see that. Once you connect it to a power source, you can see the green light or red light depending upon the battery level inside the trimmer. Here you can see the indicator light goes off once you remove the power source, green light. If you want to remove the blade, you can simply press up like this. You can remove the trimming blade like this. If you want to insert it again, you can simply insert it in this holes. That's it. It's pretty simple to change the blades. I have other Philips trimmers that doesn't give me a close shave. Philips OneBlade, we can have a shave similar to a razor. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.